Well, in that case, it looks great.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, in that case, I think you're gonna need a bigger suitcase.
Well, in that case, we're gonna need a bigger flock.
In that case, I'll be there at 5:30.
Okay.
In that case, you can all go home. Travel safely.
It's Friday. I don't have any homework.
In that case, the game.
Yes!
Really? Well, in that case, let's keep it. I always wanted a pet that could kill me!
Oh, well, in that case... hard currency. That'll do nicely.
Well, in that case, I better take a little break myself. But you get back here immediately so we can finish this.
We need you to go and find out what he's got.
Well, in that case, Pegasus, count me in.
I swear to you, I mean her no harm.
Good. In that case, I'll buy another round.
Well, in that case, I decree that we pack our bags and get our scraggy bottoms out of here.
In that case, this is your fee, paid in full, as agreed, but your services are no longer required.
I've been so looking forward to this moment.
Well, in that case, I'll try not to disappoint.
In that case, are you inviting your family?
No.
Well, then in that case, I'd say you'd better stop. Oh, fuck.